Hello, wonderful squids. My name is Jopito, the Flying Squid, and guess what I learned today? I learned dun dun dun, the ABC song, and now is my favorite song in the whole entire ocean, aka Earth. I'm gonna sing it for all of you with my friend Naru. Are you little squids ready? 3, 2, 1, blast off! A is for ant, ant. B is for bee, bee. C is for cat, cat. D is for dragon, dragon. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fox, fox. G is for giraffe, giraffe. H is for hedgehog, hedgehog. I is for iguana, iguana. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for koala, koala. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nightingale, nightingale. O is for owl, owl. P is for pig, pig. Q is for quetzal, quetzal. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for seal, seal. T is for tiger, tiger. Roar. U is for unicorn, unicorn. B is for vulture, vulture. W is for walrus, walrus.
X is for Frías. Frías. Ouch.
Y is for yak. Yak.
G is for zebra. Zebra.
And that was the ABC song. Did you like it? You could practice it with your aquatic friends to make all the letters. My favorite letter is the letter S for seal, and also for squid. Yes! And a whale big thank you to the Jazz Playground Band who played this jazzy song. Check them out at thejazzplayground.com. They're so groovy. And if you want to see more of my adventures, you can follow me at theflyingsquid.com and download my app, You and the Flying Squid, where you can be the hero or heroine in the stories. Please share, like, and subscribe to this video. Then you can follow me and see the next thing I learn.